spider pants.
New one.
Wow.
I love these.
Want to open that up? I'm not sure which ones are for, I think Max has something. Oh, those must be for Max. Just in time. All Max's have the holes in the toes. Thank you, Grandma. Those are perfect.
I'm going to.
Cute.
I'm going to open it.
Look, Max, new jammies.
Oh yeah.
Monkeys.
Hey, wow.
You're welcome. Say thanks, Grandma.
You gave me.
That might be for Max. I'm not sure, but we can share it.
Cool.
Cool.
I love it. I love it. I love all this stuff. I'm getting all new stuff.
These are so nice.
I love them.
You love everything?
It's my dinosaur!
Oh my goodness!
It's my dinosaur.
Does he... A talking dinosaur? Is that what you wanted?
Yeah!
What do you say to Grandma?
Thank you.
Wow!
I'm going to see what this one has. A tractor.
Is that a tractor or a truck?
A tractor. It's Buddy.
It's Buddy?
Yeah, see?
Does Buddy talk too?
Hi, I'm Buddy. Press any of my dinosaur trained friends.
It's one for Max.
No, I think those are both yours, but you can share them for sure. What do you say to Grandma?
Thank you.
This is the best presents ever? They sing together. Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you.
I think he likes it.
Yeah. Mom.